Hey folks, have you ever wondered what the fuss about Azure BI is? Well, today I'm going to break it all down for you, so buckle up and let's dive in. Azure BI, or Azure Business Intelligence, is a powerhouse suite of tools offered by Microsoft. It helps you analyze data, create reports, and gain insights into your business. Imagine having a crystal ball that helps you make better business decisions. That's basically what Azure BI does. Now, why should you learn Azure BI? First off, it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're dealing with small data sets or massive databases, Azure BI can handle it all. Plus, it's super user-friendly. Even if you're a beginner, you can start making sense of your data pretty quickly. The benefits are huge. With Azure BI, you can create stunning visual reports that make complex data easy to understand. You can also share these reports with your team, making collaboration a breeze. And because it's cloud-based, you can access your data from anywhere, anytime. Let's talk about the opportunities. Companies around the world are adopting Azure BI because it helps them stay competitive. Big names like Unilever, Adobe, and Rolls-Royce are already using it. This means there's a growing demand for professionals who know their way around Azure BI. Now, if you're thinking about freelancing, you're in luck. Azure BI skills are highly sought after, and freelancers in this field can command high rates. We're talking about jobs that can pay anywhere between Rs 1,000 to Rs 2,000 per hour. That's a pretty sweet deal, right? But what about full-time jobs? Well, you're looking at an average salary of around Rs 8 to Rs 12 lakhs per year in India, and that's just starting out. With experience, you can easily see figures upwards of Rs 20 lakhs. And trust me, the demand is only going to grow in the next 2 to 3 years. So, how do you get started with Azure BI? Enroll in online training at Go Live classes. They offer comprehensive courses that cover everything from the basics to advanced techniques. Plus, you get to learn from industry experts, which is a huge bonus. All right, folks, that's a wrap. Azure BI is definitely the future of data analytics. So, don't miss out on this opportunity to boost your career. And remember, Go Live Classes has got you covered for all your training needs. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.